Hey everybody, this here is a 2007 Cooper S. It's a little old. It's actually a little beat up, but I think this will make a great track car. Well, many people start their track driving in a Miata, right? Because it's a lightweight car that handles pretty well. We'll try to see if this Mini will replicate that formula, that it's going to be a reasonably fast car that corners well, and also it's very cheap, right? This car is about $4,000. Actually came with aftermarket wheels and wider tires already. It's not the perfect car, as you can probably see, but maybe it is perfect for exactly this. You know what, if you crash this or you trash it, you're probably not going to feel too bad. Probably will make a great beginner track car. Let's see.
If you like motorsports and want to learn more about the racetrack experience, check out driveonthetrack.com.
So it's a tiny car, but actually feels pretty good. At least it's thick. After driving the 06, this is going to be like a snail. It's no 06, I can tell you that, but it feels pretty good. It's actually not super slow. Oh, okay, switchback works. That was fun. You want to drive? I think all in all, I think I was pretty right. It makes a great starter beginner track car. If you go on some of the bigger tracks, I think the lack of power might be a little frustrating, but it corners very well. It's nimble. We pushed around a little bit and it works just fine. It's actually kind of fun to drive on the infill section. It's not kind of, it really is fun to drive. I would say if you're used to driving higher power cars, this might be a little frustrating going straight because the power is not quite there. It might be tough passing some of the cars. Miata might still be a better beginner car, but this will do just fine. And then also Miata is kind of up there in price. This you can have, I mean, there's many to choose from, and this you can have for a pretty decent price. I'm impressed enough. I think we're gonna keep this one for our school for beginners to learn on the track, and maybe even to rent it for their first time before they move on to more powerful and faster cars. So we're happy with it. And if you're ever considering the beginner track car, add this to your list, and I think you'll be happy to.